Hello folks, how are you all? So yesterday was the holiday. We have a long weekend and yeah, I can't stay without the chart. So yeah, this last week I talked about the weekly thing you should have done around the weekend. So how you will observe the last week happened, what you have done wrong, what was right. I showed it to you last week, but this week I thought let's go with trading psychology and the guidelines. Okay, some guidelines I would love to share with you guys. Over here I will talk about myself little bit. It's all about outside of the price action. Okay, everything will be related with trading psychology, guidelines, and about me. So if anyone is here to learn about the price action today, I believe that not a good time to stay over here. uh, Maybe you can come back tomorrow. I will talk about the weekly analysis, so I believe that that will be helpful for you, but today no price action. For going further, please let me know if you can hear me or if there is any issues about the voice. Okay, just let me know that. At the same time, I'm really grateful to all of you guys who are actually subscribing me, even if in this holiday. So at the I mean 2 to 3 hours ago I posted a tweet in my Twitter 4848. After 4848 I have already touched the 4851. I'm really so grateful to all of you guys who ever actually subscribed to my channel. Thanks to all and welcome to my channel. I believe that you won't regret to be with me in my channel with me. Okay, I believe that. Now it's your job. You will certify that is it really helpful or it was worse. You have to let me know that before leaving me. Okay, so just let me know that and leave me, no problem. Please let me know if the voice is clear and you can hear me. Just let me know that. If you don't write it down, then it's going to be very difficult for me to continue this session. I'm trying to be the Mark Douglas today. It's all about the psychology, all about the psychology. Before that, please let me know if you can hear me. You write something or I just missed. Okay, nobody know. Inform me that you can hear me or not. That means you're not hearing me. I believe so. Hmm. Okay. Oh, okay. You can hear me. Okay. Then I don't need to write it down. Thank you. Thank you, Ketan, for informing that you can hear me. Thank you, brother. First thing first. Okay. Let me go in everything is cool. 5 out of 5. Thank you. Sound is great. Thank you, PDS. Hassan. Thank you. Good evening, brother. Thank you, brother. Again, okay, this is all about the psychology and the guidelines. I'm not talking about the price action today, to be honest. So if anyone is here to think that you will get something about the price action, I'm sorry. I'm not gonna talk about that. I will talk about the weekly analysis tomorrow. When first I have started this ICT trading concept or ICT stuff, okay, I have started to learn this stuff. My chart was like that. Then just empty chart. From this chart, I was from the retail trader concept or retail thing. So first thing first, if I was here at my beginning, I would say trend line. Here is a trend line. There is a trend line. Right now I see this price in a different way. The reason is now I know something about how price actually move from where to where. It doesn't see the trend line. It don't see anything. It doesn't see anything. It has some specific reason to move from one level to another level. At the beginning, it was very easy for me to read the price. To be honest, when I have just started my ICT things, okay, ICT stuff, it was really so easy for me. When ICT was outlining something, I feel like, oh man, it's nothing. Just go into the chart, push the button. It was that much easy. Trust me, man. Just trust me. When I merged something with ICT, it was too easy. But when ICT wasn't here, I tried myself. Oh man, it was disaster. Nothing was working for me. I saw market went lower, give me the market structure shift, price trade that fair value gap, went higher. That was a buy setup for me. When price came here, make it has taken some liquidity over there, went lower, give me another lower market structure shift, fair value gap, I take sell over there. I keep buying, selling. Every single time I was seeing buy setup, sell setup. How disaster, man. It didn't work for me. The 22 YT model, absolutely, it didn't work for me. I went for optimal trade entry, turtle soup, bread butter setup, everything I could try. I tried every single thing, but nothing was working for me. So I got frustrated and I thought, okay, this is not for me. So let's gamble. I tried by gambling, nothing worked. Finally, I have decided ICT things doesn't work in this market. Let's go back to retail things. When I came to the retail things, I started to notice it's actually the ICT stuff. The way ICT explain market move from one level to another level, it's the theme. That is why last few days I tried to explain the support and resistance. How the support works, how the resistance works. That was the first time when it triggered to my mind, how should I read the price? To be honest, every single day I was thinking I got this. The very next day it was disaster. Still now, even now these days, when some days goes wrong, I feel very disappointed. That's truth, man. That's truth. I don't want to lie to you. I have the confidence to mitigate my loss, but still, I feel like yesterday, right? Yesterday in Thursday I had near about $1,700 loss. After getting that loss, I was feeling like I know nothing about this price action. Around that time, at my beginning, when it happened to me, what did I do? I keep trying to mitigate my loss. Now these days, I got stopped. No, this is not my day. I have to stop. There's no other way. Nothing is working for me, so I have to stop. Previously, when I was starting this, when I started this ICT concepts around 2022, actually, the learning process started over there. When I take one loss, two loss, I was so stubborn. I was thinking I have to mitigate my loss today because this is my last day. Today, tomorrow, I don't have any chance to mitigate my loss. Oh man, tomorrow is the holiday or the weekend. I have to wait until the Monday to mitigate my loss. I have to do it today. Whatever I take loss, just mitigate that loss, then I will close my chart. What actually happened? Either I hit my daily limit or maybe I blew my account, something like that. Okay. Now, actually, I tried by paper money. So I'm talking everything I'm talking about the paper money. I didn't start the prop firm at my beginning. I started with paper money. So I blew lot of paper money. Lot of paper money account I blew. I blown. Here is let me show you. It's not cleared yet. Clean yet. They didn't finish it yet. Okay. I don't know you can see it or not. Mm, okay, not like that one. Just a second. Sorry, but yeah, yeah. This is one guy who has started the paper. You can see this paper trading. There, his starting balance is $2,000. Okay, this is $2,000. He has started around 15th February 2024, around 123 in his time, I guess. That was his first entry. $425 profit. Total account balance is $2,425. Here is the last amount right now, $3,065. And today is actually the last trade he took, I guess 28th of March. Yeah, 28th March 2024. That is the last trade he took. That was a $25 loss. This is that account. So everything you are seeing, this is his uh, trading actually. So I'm actually journaling his trade. Two of these two guys. Okay, I am just journaling their trade. I thought I will show this at the end of their, when they will actually touch the target. I will show it to you guys. But when I was I have decided that I will talk about the psychology, I thought, okay, let's actually show the result right now they have. This is the another guy who has also started the same day. His account balance is now $3,640. He has also started from $2,000. Okay, so you can see 28th of March 2024. That is his last trade. That is $200 loss actually. I mean the last Thursday he took that entry. That was his loss. So yeah, so far this is his result as well. Not good, but not bad, because here just one account which they have started with $2,000. So $2,600. You can see $350, $250. That was his first day. So overall $600. He has started around 15th February 2024. He has also started with that day. This is the paper trading as well. First test. You can see whatever he actually wrote it down. It was something like that. Yeah, they are with me from the very beginning, so I gave them some rules. Okay, I just gave them some rules, and I'm really glad that they didn't break the rules until now. They're very patient, and they didn't break not even a single word I told them to not to do. Nothing. Okay, the way I told them to trade, they're still trading, and their target is $5,000. For example, I can just give you one thing. I just told them you can't take profit more than $700 in one day. So even if you see your entry is here, you know market is coming here. If market come here, then your profit will be $2,000. No, you can't hold it. You have to close it when your profit is $700. You have to close it. By manually, you have to close it. If you take more than $700, like $701, then you have to take another losing trade intentionally, and you have to close your day with $700 profit. So that is one rule among all other rules. Okay, so they're doing this like that way. If I didn't give them that rules, maybe they have already finished the challenge, but I wanted them to follow the rules. Yeah, I will take more people from my YouTube and from my Twitter to do that challenge, but for that I need some people who is worthy. Okay, who is worth it. That's why I can ask, like I can see there is 21 people. I don't know all of you are with me in my Twitter or not. From the next week, if you ever see a setup, for example, you are in 1 minute chart and maybe you saw this buy, you are thinking that this buy setup will work. Okay, you are thinking that. You have to mark that setup beforehand and you have to send me with this thing. Okay, like this. That is my target, brother. So that thing. I need this from all of you. Okay, trust me. I never left anyone's message in my Twitter unread. I always read everyone's tweet. Message before price printed over there. When it will appear, you have to send me the picture. So I will decide it. I will decide after 1 week how many people I can take from there. If you are mentally prepared, if you are doing the real money trade right now, you don't need to do that because you are still doing the real money trade. Okay, so you are not at the stage of learning. You have already learned. That's why you are using your real money. I need someone who are actually interested to learn. Okay, who wants to build their strongest psychology. Now these two guys, these two guys, George and Raim, my belief is when they will finish the challenge, they will be unbeaten. Even they can challenge me. Okay, I'm not telling that I'm the best, but they will be able to challenge my psychology. I did this paper trade. I did this paper challenge in my life at my beginning. I didn't put that hard rules for me. Whatever I put for them, the hard rules, I didn't put it for me. Okay, still my psychology is not that much strong comparing with these two guys. These two guys is just following the rules from the beginning. So from 15th of March, sorry, February, they had started. It's near about more than 1 week now. Sorry, 1 month now. Still they are following the rules I told them to follow. And I really thought that they won't be able to follow the rules, and maybe they will continue this 10 to 15 days, then they will give up. I'm really impressed for them. Now you can say, brother, you are doing something, racism or something. No, I'm not doing that. They are with me from the very beginning. Okay, trust me, from the very beginning. When I have never, maybe I wasn't here. I asked the same thing I asked today. Send me the setup whenever you will see it before price move. You have to send me that. Then I will decide, are you ready for that challenge or not. Okay, for that I need that. I asked that the way, and they actually keep sending me the picture setups. Then I actually finally I went with 5 people, just 5 people. Okay, then they only do those 2 people still here. The rest three didn't continue because one of the guy, Stephen, he moved into his real money, and I am really proud of him because he's doing the challenge in his real money with profit. He has started a 50K express account. Now his balance is near about $5,000 within 1 month. So yeah, $5,000. It's not small. I'm really proud of him. The two guys. One guy, he told that, brother, he told me that he's not interested, and the rest on, he has another perception of this of this market. Okay, so I stopped to tell him to do anything. To be honest, I don't want to tell him anything. No, nothing. I don't want to tell him nothing. So if I really feel depressed about anyone, I stop to correct him. That's the true thing. Okay, sorry, I don't know he's here or not. If he's here, I'm sorry, brother, but it's true. If I ever see that you are not listening to me, whatever I'm trying to give you or trying to tell you, you are not following them, I will stop telling you. Okay, I don't care then. I don't care anymore. Now only 21 people. Just if anyone is interested, you can send me the setup beforehand, okay, to my Twitter. I will always see them, and after 1 week I will decide if anyone I can add to that challenge group. But you have to be mentally prepared for 3 to 6 months that you are not going to go to the real money. You have to go with the paper money to build your psychology. Okay, this challenge is just only for building psychology. Here is the part why psychology is important. Because this chart is nothing. This chart is nothing without psychology. As Mark Douglas told, you have 99% work with your mentality. You have to work with your mentality. Trading is 99% psychology, 1% is physical. The physical thing is you have to be able to push your button through your mouse. That's all. You need that 1% ability for trading, which is called physical ability. Rest 99% is your psychology. That is why this psychology is the most important part. If you don't have the strongest psychology, even if you are the best of reading price action, you will never be the profitable trader. Never ever. Write it down on the empty pages, blank page. You will never be the profitable trader. Maybe 1 week you are keep getting the profitable entry. After 1 week, when you will take the first losing trade, trust me, you will blow your account. To mitigate your loss, you will blow your account. That's for sure. That is why the psychology is more important. And to prove my point, I can show it to you. Okay, I just need to show it to you. Okay, just let me check if I get something. Uh, uh, just a sec. Okay, I can see over here. Okay, one, two, three, four. He took four losing trade in a row. In a row, he took four losing trade. Still, he managed that trade until here. Until here. So he was more than 4,000. Then last actually last week he took some losses or something. He came to $3,640. He just ended over there. Sometimes they take seven losing trade in a row. Seven losing trade. Every trade was losing trade. Still they couldn't blow their account. The reason was the psychology. The rules I gave them, they follow that. They If you follow the rules, that will be nearly impossible for you to blow your account. You don't believe me. That's why I showed their result. I should not do that because I didn't ask the permission from them. But still, I just showed them. So I will ask forgiveness to them. No worries. But yeah, that's the truth, man. That is why this psychology is the most important thing. When I started this trading with my paper money, I keep blow my account. I keep blow my account. I keep blow my account because every single time I was just looking for the entry. There was nothing except the entry or the model. ICT keep talking about new model. I tried them. New model. I tried them. Inversion fair value gap, breaker block, then maybe implement fair value gap, opening gap, new day opening gap, new week opening gap. Whatever he told, I tried them. The result was I was blowing my account. After taking one winning trade, I felt like, oh man, it's too easy. Just after taking one winning trade, how did I lie to me? I keep taking losing trade, losing trade, losing trade. I keep resetting my paper trade, resetting my paper trade, resetting my paper trade. Then I get one winning trade, and I was feeling like, okay, I'm ready to trade real money. Let's go for the real money. I was unable to pay the bill because my family didn't believe me in that trading or something. They don't like it. Okay, to be honest, they don't like it, so they didn't give me any money. I was in Bangladesh around that time. I had no opportunity to do that, so I was unable to start the real money. Finally, when I have actually completed 5 challenge accounts from my paper money, everyone was $1,000 challenge money. I mean, sorry, challenge account. I completed five in a row. There was four. I mean, one account I blew and four account I passed successfully. Then I managed money and I started my FTMO account for the first time. The funny thing is, the first FTMO account I blew it. That's the funny thing. After getting so many confidence, after starting to understand the price action, the first FTMO account I blew. It happens. What was wrong with me? I thought that everything was perfect, then why I blew it? Then I find out I have some problem. Still, I have some problem with my psychology. I'm not ready yet. I went to paper money. I tried to figure it out what was wrong. Then I figured it out when I was trading to my paper money. I didn't give that much attention over there. Okay, I was feeling like it's the paper money. If I lose, I will just lose the paper money. That was my problem. I didn't take it seriously. So next time when I completed another challenge from the paper money, that was actually my forex fund. They were providing $25,000 account, so far I remember. So I started with that amount in paper trade, and I started to take that as a serious trade. Okay, that was my. I was thinking like, this is my challenge account, so I have to complete it with passion. I have discovered myself in a new man. I have a shitty. I have, the what to say, I mean the weakest psychology I had the weakest psychology. Okay, I don't have any psychology, nothing. I was just wasting my time, nothing else. I was struggling with myself. I know how to read the price. Then why my psychology is too weak? Because I didn't pay that much attention to my psychology. I always paid my attention only the price action. How price is coming here to here. Okay, it came here to that fair value gap. Now it is going there. Simple. Just it's going over there. Why do I need psychology? The reason is before going from here to here, market went one time lower. When market went lower and stopped me out, I started to doubt about my reading cycle. I mean reading price action. I have started to look for sell now. That's the part of the psychology. I have to work with my psychology. That until it proved me wrong, I have to keep taking buy. I can't change my bias. Now, what is the limit of that? Until the word I told, right? The sentence I told. Until it proved me wrong, that market is actually bearish, I will keep looking for bull run. Then what is the limit? Until, what is that until? Then I make a rules. I am only able to take two entry in a day, just two entry. Now, right now I trade at around London session, but actually I'm not a London guy, so I actually trade at New York AM session and PM session from my beginning. Okay, so I never had experience about the London session before, maybe before 1 month actually. It's very rare I trade at London session. At London session, morning session, this is the starting. Okay, this is the part of the learning for you guys, the way I started to work with my psychology. At the morning session, I will look for a setup. First, I will read the price. If I find out that okay, market is coming here to here, I will look for a buy setup. I got a buy setup. It worked perfectly. I took entry here, for example, here. My stop loss is over there. My target profit is here. Just for example, my target profit is over there. I have to close my trade over there, okay? This is how I started to work with my psychology. Now, when first time I saw market actually took my target profit, then it went more higher. Very next time what I have done, I have just take another entry over here. My target was, for this is the example, okay, my target was over here, but I remember last time market went more higher, above that high, or maybe above some other highs, maybe above that high. It went above that high. So my mentality was telling me, okay brother, no problem, put it over here and put your stop loss to the break even. That means if it didn't hit my target profit, then I will be stopped out to the break even. So what I'm going to lose? Nothing, right? I'm not going to lose nothing because it hits my stop loss to the break even. Now, when it hits my stop loss to the break even, what I'm going, I did, okay, it actually came lower. So let's take another buy over here. Maybe it hit my stop loss, so I take a buy over there. I put my stop loss below that. Now I target that high one more time. What is going to happen? Market went lower, stopped me out. Do you understand? I don't know guys, you do this or not. When first time you take an entry and you saw market actually worked perfectly, it came here and it hit your target profit, then it went higher. Maybe it came here until here. I thought I have done a wrong thing. I should have target over here instead of here. So very next time I took another entry and I didn't go for the obvious liquidity. Instead of that, I hold it until the extreme on. What market has done? Come back again and stop me out to the break even. When I got break even, I was so confident that market is going higher, so I take re-entry there. So Another entry, I maybe managed entry over there and I put my stop loss over there. I targeted the same line over here because market is going over there. I'm so confident. What market has done actually? It went little lower, it went higher, then it stopped me out. I got stopped out. So a profitable entry turns into a losing entry. Okay, man, my psychology is still very weak. I'm not doing something right. Something is wrong over here. Something is wrong. I'm not doing something absolutely right. What should I do? I have to take only two trades. One session, one trade. Around the morning session, I am only able to take one trade. If it is a profitable trade, I'm done for that day. If I'm thinking that market is coming from here to here for the first time, I will hold my target profit over here. I'm not gonna move it. Forget about the partial, forget about everything else. This is the starting or the base of the psychology. This is the base, okay? Over here, that is the target I'm thinking at my beginning. Now, market came here, maybe it didn't reach over there, I got a stopped out. I'm done for the morning session. No more entry at the morning session. I saw a very perfect setup after stopping me out, a very perfect setup which actually worked and hit my target profit. I don't care. I just don't care about that because I'm trying to build my psychology now. If I knew that if I can build the psychology, there will be no restriction for me. I'll be a free man. Freedom will be mine. I can trade anytime if I can just build my psychology. When you need the psychology, when you need this psychology, do you know when you need? When you are going to take the profit? No, you don't need the psychology then. When you are going to take losing entry, maybe one, two, three losing entry in a row, that is the place when you need this psychology. Trust me, man. It helped me a lot. This psychology. At the morning session, I take an entry. It didn't hit my target profit. I got it stripped out. No entry around that morning session. I will wait until the PM session. I don't care how beautiful the setup is. I'm gonna miss them. I will read them. I will put this thing, but I'm not gonna push my paper money. Not about. I'm not talking about the real money. I'm talking about the paper money. I'm not gonna push my paper money. I will put this and I will read the price. I will write it down to my chart. This is that unfilled fair value gap. This is the water block. This is the mean threshold. Market should not go below that. Market is now going to leave a fair value gap over there. Market will just take the relatively equal highs now. It is gonna close above that high. I started to use the empty space of my chart by that tool. It worked perfectly. What I started to think. That means when I took the first entry, that was not perfect time. I have to wait for the best setup now. This is how I built my psychology, and I can skip the worst setup and I can wait for the perfect setup. Now you can say, brother, in Thursday you just took $700 loss, $1,700 loss. Okay, you can tell that. If I were trading by myself, I had done at the morning session when I had near about $671 something profit. I am done with that day. That's why I told, please don't judge me when I'm here. Please don't judge me. Even at the PM session when I took that entry, I had near about $1,500 profit. I told you that either it is going to hit my target or I'm gonna take the huge loss. That was my psychology in that time. I wanted to beat the market. That was not my day. I got beaten. There will be my day, and I will beat the market in that day. I have that confidence because I know how much loss I can absorb. Uh, I'm sorry, brother. I am not reading your comment. I will read your comment, but let me explain the psychological importance first. It is the most important part. Okay, so try to understand this psychological part. If I take the first entry at the morning session and hit my target, I'm done for the day. The rest of the day, I was what I was doing. Every single time I saw a setup, I keep using this thing. Sometimes it hit my stop loss. I was feeling very happy because I didn't take that entry. Sometimes it was going to hit my target profit. I was feeling very happy. This is the part you have to listen carefully. After taking the profitable entry to the morning session, the rest of the day I was using this tool. If I saw a setup, I put that tool and I saw market came here, didn't hit my target profit, went lower, stopped me out. It happened like that way. I was very happy, man. I was very happy. Why? I didn't take that entry. Now, next I saw another setup. I took the same entry maybe, and I saw market came here, low and later hit my target profit. I was so happy over here. Over here, I was so happy because I didn't take that entry. Here, I was so happy because I read the price perfect way here. Can you know what is the difference between being happy and being sad? If you can be happy in every situation, that means you are building your psychology as a emotionless. When you will trade in real money, if you take a loss, you won't feel anything. Trust me, man. If you can be happy with every kind of situation, if I feel like that way, oh man, I didn't take that entry. If I could take that entry, then I would be profitable. Maybe I could manage some more profit. If I thought like that way, I was building a greedy psychology. That is called a greedy psychology. Greedy psychology, the greedy people, they will always punish themselves. They can't be profitable. Never ever. It's never ever going to happen. You have to be happy. You didn't take that entry, that's why you have to be happy. You read the price perfect way. That's why you have to be happy, man. Do you know Artemis and Reaper concepts in ICT? It's hard to find by searching. No, brother, I don't know that. So what I told you, if I take entry at the morning session, if it is a profitable entry, I'm done for the day. If it is a losing trade, I'm not gonna push my button at the morning session, not anymore. I will wait until the PM session. Then at the PM session, if I get any setup, perfect setup, I'm gonna take that. Why? Because I have already lost my one chance. I have only two chance, okay? I have only two chance to impress my girlfriend. I have already lost one chance to impress my girlfriend. I have already made him more angry. I have to calm her down by my last chance. So I have to take the best opportunity to do that. Okay, I'm just giving the example with the girlfriend, so please don't mind, okay? Over there, I wait for the perfect setup. Maybe sometimes I saw a setup, but I didn't take that. Then later, market worked perfectly. What did I see? Okay, I just miss a setup. No problem. I will wait for another setup. Thus, maybe that day has ended already. I was unable to take another entry. I didn't get panic. Okay, tomorrow I will try again. Tomorrow, same thing happened at the morning session. I took a sell or buy. That was a losing trade. I keep reading the price until the end session. I wait for the PM session. I try to take another entry. Maybe that is also a losing trade. One, two, three losing trade. Next day, same thing. Losing trade, losing trade. Very next day, losing trade, losing trade. I didn't get panic. Do you know why? The reason is never ever I thought to take an entry and mitigate all of my losses. Every day is a new day. Today morning I take a loss. If I able to take another entry to the PM session, I will just go to mitigate my today's morning loss. No, I'm not gonna take profit from there. I don't need the profit. I'm going to mitigate my loss. This guy is doing the same thing. These guys are doing the same thing. Now, how they're doing that? I gave them a target, $700. They are only able to take $700. They are not allowed to take more than one contract. They are not allowed to take more than one contract. Just one contract, $700. That's their target. If they take a loss for the first time, maybe take a loss, maybe $200, $500, something. The very next trade they are going to take, they have to think like that way. I can't go more than $1,000 because I have already a $300 loss. My target maximum target is $700. So $700 and 300 loss. That means $1,000. If I can finish my day by $1,000, my overall profit will be $700. Most of the time they are finishing when they are going to mitigate their loss. They are going to finish like that way because they know if I hold my trade for unexpected target, it can return and stop me out. And if it stopped me out, I'm not gonna able to take another trade because this is my last chance to mitigate my loss. Simple thing, brother. This is how they're trying to build their psychology. I keep asking them, brother, is it helping you? Now they're telling me that yeah, it's helping them. I don't know what is the truth. Sometimes they get frustrated. It has to happen. It's going to happen. When they will finish this challenge, trust me, man, they will be the most strongest psychological person in from my group, okay? From anyone I know. Because they are going through some rules that even I didn't apply for myself. Okay, so they're gonna be more stronger than me, more strongest psychology they're going to obtain comparing with me. This is the first rule for the psychology. So if you can follow this type of rules, if you are mentally prepared for doing that, trust me, man, this market is nothing for you. How? This is the question. How it is gonna be profitable for me? You have started. Let me actually write it down over here. You have started a 50K account, okay? 50K top step account. That is your 50K top step account. Now you can take maximum $2,000 profit. Your target is $3,000. That's your target. Now this $2,000, maybe you are taking just two entry in a day with a logical stop loss, with a logical target profit. Everything is logical, okay? Maybe you take one losing trade today, no problem. Today you take two entry, both of them are losing. $200 or $250, $500 you took loss. Tomorrow you took two loss again. $1,000 you have lost. The very next day you have taken again two loss. So $1,500 loss. You have already lost $1,500. After 3 days, you take one profitable trade, and there your target is only $700. Just $700. They have started with this $2,000 account. See, this is that $2,000. I was that was in my mind. That's why this $2,000 is their starting amount, and their target is $5,000. So if they can touch the $5,000, they are going to pass the 50K account. That's why that is their target. After 3 days, if they can take one profitable entry, they are going to mitigate almost 50% of their loss, what they have done already by 3 days. If they are lucky, they took two days in a winning way, they are going to mitigate all of their loss, but they are not going to push their button after the first winning. If they can manage $700 by one day, they're done for the day. They're not going to push their button for that day. That's their rules. They have to wait for the next day. Whatever they're going to see, they have to skip them. They will read the price. They will say, brother, this is going to happen, that is going to happen. Why that is important? Because when they're done with the trade, they will only focus to read the price. They will just focus the read the price. They're mentally prepared. No, I'm not allowed to take any entry. So what I have to do? I'm a chart addicted. What I can do? I have to just read the price. How this price is moving. Let's read the price. They're learning how to read the price. Are you getting my point? This is my point. They know that I am not allowed to take any more entry today because I have already touched my daily limit, $700. I have no way to take another entry. What I have to do then? Either I have to close the chart, but I am a chart addicted. I can't close my chart. I have to stay in front of my chart. They will give their full focus on the price action, how this price action is moving, how it is doing. They are learning now. When they took that entry, trust me, they didn't learn anything from there. Nothing. I'm talking about those people who are new, okay, who are actually learning this concept, not pro. If anyone is here who is pro, they know how to trade. I'm not talking about you guys, okay? I'm just talking about the one who is trying to learn this concept. When you are looking for a trade, you are not learning anything from here. Trust me, man. Nothing. Even if you go like this way, 1 year, 2 year, 5 year, 10 year, you will still be loser because you know nothing about the price action. You are thinking that you are learning the price action because you are spending time with the price or with the chart, but actually your concentration is only on the entry, where I can take my entry, how it is going to hit my target profit. You don't give a shit to your stop loss. You even no idea where you should put your stop loss. Nothing. Just entry point and the target profit point. These two parts. If you tell me no, brother, I read the price perfectly with when I take the entry, no, you are lying. You are lying to me. It's not true. Nobody can read the price when they are learning and they took an entry. Nobody can do that. I couldn't do that. ICT couldn't do that. Most of his successful students, they couldn't able to do that. If you tell me, you are lying to me. Maybe you are lying to me or you are a genius. Okay. Now this type of genius is not available in this world. Maybe they are available in alien world or some other world. When I know that I am not going to take any other entry, I have no way to take any other entry. Then I will focus only the price action, how this thing is working. Then I'm not looking for entry. I will read the price with the entry, with the move, with time, with every concept I know, with every model I know, maybe something you noticed, everything is gonna record in your mind. When you know, you are not just going to take an entry. You have to know that. How do you know that? This is the only way. If you can set a mind, at the morning session, I will take just one entry. If it is a profitable entry, I'm happy. If it is not a profitable entry, losing entry, I'm done for the morning session. And if you don't lie to yourself, keep following that. Trust me, man, you will be the best person. You will be the real market wizard of this chart over here, because you only focus on reading price action. Everything is reading price action. That's the first guidelines. You have to read the price. The first guidelines for being profitable is to read the price. You have to know how to read the price. It is only possible when you are not looking for setup. You know that you are not going to take any entry. It is only then possible. Otherwise, it is never gonna be possible. Don't trust me? No problem. Spend 2 to 3 4 5 years. After that, come to me and tell me, yeah, brother, I'm still a loser. You can't be a profitable trader. You will go here and there. You will try this model and that model. Sometimes you will go for the mitigation model, block model. Sometimes breaker block. Sometimes order block. Sometimes parabolic gap. Sometimes turtle soup. Sometimes that model. Sometimes those model. You will keep just roaming here and there. Nothing is perfect, man. Only psychology is the perfect thing. Only price action is the perfect thing. The first guidelines is you have to start learning the price action, and it is only then possible when you have a very strong psychology. That psychology will help you to learn the price action. Is it clear, guys? Okay, lot of, what did you say, how much they are they supposed to lose per day? There is no limit. If they want to blow their account, No problem. The rules is they have to pass three challenge account in a row. Like first they will have to pass one account, then again they have to pass another account, $2,000 account, paper account, then they have to pass another $2,000 account. So three account they have to pass in a row. For example, they have passed one $2,000 account, then they have passed the second $2,000 account, and third $2,000 account they lose. Okay, they just blow that. They have to start from the beginning. Do you understand, Lenny? That's the rules for them. So they are not able to take huge loss. Maximum they took loss $250 or $350. When they take that type of loss, they get very careful about the next entry, because they know if they blow this account, they have to start from the beginning again, and they have to finish at least three challenges in a row. Hey Dio, I'm sorry brother, I didn't read your comment. Are you still here or not? I don't know. Hey bro, it my guy. Okay man, you are my guy. Brother, you should be relaxing. Lol, I was relaxing man. Yesterday whole day I was relaxing, and I thought to make two video. The order block and mitigation block has done. I have another plan to build another video. If you didn't check them out, you can check them out. Oh guys, can you let me know how was that order block and mitigation block? Did you watch that video? If you watch, please let me know how was that. Okay, I have already uploaded to my channel mitigation and order block. I'm fine, Thabs. Thanks for asking, brother. How what about you? I mean, so it was before a holiday. That's why. Yeah, I know, brother. I know. Do you know? No, I didn't know that. I read that you were talking about reality, and that's great experience, bro. Thanks. No problem, Hassan. You are still here, brother. Bro, when do you release the next week plan video? Tomorrow, brother. Sunday. So tomorrow, yeah, tomorrow. So if anyone have watched my order block and the mitigation block video, I have uploaded to my YouTube channel. If anyone, okay, just let me know how that, because I need your limit or opinion of how was that mitigation block and the water block. I have just uploaded these two video. Just let me know, okay? Oh, okay, Hassan, you are still here. Don't forget to let me know either over here or to that video, okay? Under the video. So anywhere you can just let me know that. And thanks again for those who actually subscribe to my channel, because okay, I got one more guy. Thank you. Welcome to my channel, brother. I watched word block and that was a different video. Congrats. Okay, thank you, Hassan. Thank you, brother. Thanks for your time, Tito. No problem, Glenn. How are you, brother? Nair, both are great. I watched both. Thank you, Nair. Thank you, brother. Thanks for your opinion, because I need your compliment, your opinion, true opinion. Okay, not like to impress me something, not like that, because if you give me your true compliment or opinion, I'll be able to improve myself with more information. Yeah, I try to make them smaller, that's why I talk little faster maybe, you know. I try to make them short video, and because I talk too much, you guys keep complaining. The first guideline I have told you about the trading, so that is the first guideline. Now maybe you have a very strong psychology now. You know how to control yourself, when you should stop, when you know when you should stop. That means you have a greatest psychology, I mean the strongest psychology. If you only just if you can find out when you should stop. You're late. No man, you're not late. Did you late? Yeah, my point is, if you really know when you should stop, what is going to stop you, man? All you have to know is you have to stop now. If you don't stop now, you are going to blow your account. Today is just before the holiday. Market is doing shit today. I'm not gonna beat this market. Market is going to beat me. Every single time it is going to beat me. I have to stop here. I have to surrender. I will come back in Monday, maybe in Tuesday, maybe in Thursday, Wednesday, Friday to beat you again. But today, today is your day. I'm gonna stop. I'm not gonna challenge you today, not anymore. So I'm going to stop. That's called psychology. This is how these guys is unable to beat, I mean, to blow their account. They are never going to blow their account. Never ever. It's nearly impossible to blow their account. Both of them, okay? I'm just not showing him. Both of these guys, they are never going to blow their account. I'm just trying to build their psychology, okay? And as I told, from the next week, from Monday, if you ever see any kind of setup, you have to mark that setup and you have to send it me to my Twitter. I need some more people. If you are interested to join that challenge, okay? But remember, it's gonna take minimum 3 to 6 months. It will depend all of your psychology. If you are mentally prepared, then only then send me the screenshot. If you ever see a setup beforehand, you have to send it to me beforehand, okay? Not after working, not like that. Beforehand, you just saw market is going to make that setup. So you are thinking market will come here to here. You have to put this long tool or this short tool, and then you have to send me the screenshot. And yeah, that's all, okay? You have to keep doing this for 1 week, 5 days in a row. I don't care you are going to take that, I mean, loss, or you are going to take that profit. Is it going to be a successful trade or a losing trade? I don't need that. I just need to see how did you ready yet for that challenge. It's for free, okay? It's not kind of I'm asking money. No man, it's not like that, okay? They're absolutely free. So don't think that now T2 started to talk about the money. No, I'm not talking about the money. You can ask them, Georgian and the Remy. I don't know both of them. Maybe they are not here. So yeah, but for that I need someone who is ready for that challenge. So when you will give me that screenshot of the setup, I'll just think about your psychology and I will just think about how you are reading the price. If I think okay you are ready, because I'm still reading the price, so I will see some setup as well. If I think you are ready, I will just add you over there, okay? If I think okay you need more time, I'll just avoid. I mean, you will keep sending me the picture. You have to do that, and I can't just, I don't know you guys getting it hard or not, but yeah, I need someone who is ready for that. Again, if you are extremely strong for to give that time to me, then only then send me the screenshot. Otherwise, no need to send me the screenshot. If you think no, I'm not gonna stay without live trading before 3 to 6 months, then don't send me the screenshot because I need that time. If you are able to complete the challenge before that, congratulations, no problem. But if you need, I guess you will need 3 to 6 months at least. So that's again. After that, when you have that strongest psychology, and that is when you have to know when you should stop. When you will know I should stop now, you are done with your psychology. Now you are free to fly. Now is the part of the second guidelines. What should you do? Just let me find out area. Okay, that's the area. I just pick I mean random level, and I will give you the example from there. Okay, what is that, brother? If is it possible for you, please make a video about the importance of trading hours, brother. What do you mean by that? Trading hours means you should not take entry outside of the session. For example, if you're talking about the morning session, then your entry should be from 9:30 to 12. If you're trading the PM session, your entry has to happen after 1, before 3:45. After 1 p.m. before 3:45. That's the trading hour. And London session, just London kill zone, maybe 2 to 5, 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. 7 a.m. kill zone, if you know how to trade that on, then around 7. No, not more than 7:30, not before than 6:50. That's 7 a.m. kill zone. I just started to trade that on before. I mean, 1 month ago, I didn't know that 7 a.m. kill zone can be that much stronger. That's all about the trading hour, I guess, brother. I mean, are you asking for that or not? I don't know. When you are done with your first guidelines, you have now, you know when you should stop. Market will keep giving you the buy setup. It will keep giving you the sell setup. Market has taken the liquidity, market structure shift, fair value gap went higher. Market went lower, give you market structure shift, maybe fair value gap went lower. Higher market take the liquidity, market structure shift, fair value gap went higher, lower, higher, lower, higher. It will keep giving you that every day, every session. Which one you are going to hold? Are you going to hold for the buy? Are you going to hold for the sell? This is the second guidelines. As I told at the beginning, okay, of the last week, I guess, there is two type of situation. Let me find out the empty space. That is empty space. There is two type of situation. Sorry, man. This is very, 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 very important. Very, very, very important. Learn this or listen to this very carefully. It's really so important. Noted, thanks, no problem. Those are all Newark Eastern time zone times. Yeah, that's the Eastern, I mean, Newark local time, brother. Yeah. Have you ever traded DXY futures? What is DXY futures? I miss you. What is DXY futures? DXY is dollar index, but why you add that futures with DXY? Now, this is a sell side liquidity, okay? Why it is sell side liquidity? Market has made relatively equal lows for any reason, okay? Just think this is your sell side liquidity, this is your buy side liquidity, okay? Now, market has maybe taken this buy side liquidity with a shallow run. Now, this is the most obvious buy side liquidity now, right? This is the shallow run. Market is going lower. Maybe it is coming. You are thinking that market is now going lower. It is going to take that sell side liquidity. Market came here. No, okay, I made a mistake. It didn't maybe take that buy side liquidity. Instead of that, it has made that buy side liquidity, okay, over there. It has made that buy side liquidity. You know that market is going lower. That is your bias for today. You know market is going for that sell side liquidity. Will you look for a sell setup here? The first time you will get a market structure shift. See, this is the market structure shift. Maybe breaker block, maybe order block, maybe anything. Are you going to look for setup over there for sell? Is this your thinking? Maybe market has taken that buy side. For example, it has taken that buy side liquidity perfectly. It has taken that buy side. No more buy side liquidity left over there. Nothing left over there. What should you do? Should you look for a setup over there? After taking the buy side liquidity, first market structure shift, fair value gap, you are going to take that entry. Yeah, I did that. Lot of time I did that. You are not going to do that. See this big run? That is a big run, okay? Now you are expecting the reversal, not the retracement. Try to understand, brother. You are looking for reversal. For the reversal, you have to wait for this. First, market will take this sell side liquidity. I mean, sorry, buy side liquidity. Market structure shift, fair value gap. You are not going to take the entry over there. Market went lower. Make another liquidity level over here. Then take the liquidity. Give you another market structure shift. You are going to take your entry over here for that sell side liquidity. Around here, as I told, there has to have a 15-minute fair value gap. So first, market has taken the buy side liquidity, reversing from a 15-minute fair value gap. Then market went lower. When market went lower, it has to make another 15-minute fair value gap over here. Then it has to take some buy side liquidity, tap to that 15-minute second here, okay, the 15-minute fair value gap it has just made. It has to trade over there, then give you the another market structure shift. Then you will be confident to take your sell entry over there until that sell side liquidity. Now you will never go for the extreme liquidity. You have to stop with one time liquidity or no lower liquidity or something like that. That's your choice, whatever you want to do. You are not going to look for a sell setup from there. You have to look for your sell setup over there. Is it clear, guys? I'm going to go with this one more time. This is extremely important. This is your sell side liquidity. This is your buy side liquidity. Okay. Market has taken the buy side liquidity. You know market is coming here now. You know that. 100% sure you know that. You saw after taking the buy side liquidity, very next candle make a swing low which is absolutely perfect. Very nice swing low which is valid for shifting market structure. Maybe market went higher, take that buy side liquidity one more time, or maybe it failed to take that buy side liquidity, it went lower, whatever it is, then gave you a very nice displacement. Two fair value gap, maybe one fair value gap with breaker block, unicorn model, maybe mitigation block, maybe turtle soup entry or whatever. You are not going to take your entry over there. This is not going to be your entry. But brother, if it just come here and then boom, what is going to happen then? I'm gonna miss that trade? Yeah, you are going to miss that trade. What you will do actually? You will let it come lower. Maybe it will come here. Some last fair value gap over there from that leg. It came to that leg, then went little higher maybe. Okay, something like this. You will start to look for a 15-minute fair value gap to that leg. You saw actually market trade that 15-minute fair value gap. Then finally it has taken the relatively equal highs, gave you another very nice market structure shift. A perfect market structure shift, the way it was over there. You will take your entry over there. This will be your trade, not here. Is it clear? When you should look for entry from there, I'm showing you that now. That is your sell side liquidity. Okay, market came here, take your buy side liquidity, came lower again. Just understand that it has taken, I mean didn't take that liquidity, maybe it didn't came until that, maybe it come until here, didn't take, make it more stronger. Now it came until here. This is the retracement from 50. This is all from 15-minute chart, not 1 minute chart. From 15-minute chart, you are all seeing this from 15-minute chart. It come here, it came here, didn't take that sell side liquidity. That is the retracement. Same time it trade the 15-minute entry fair value gap or maybe last fair value gap, whatever it is. You will be in your 1 minute chart, and you now just think you are at the 1 minute chart. From 1 minute chart you are seeing this type of things. Okay, market is doing this, you are just looking this thing. At the first time you will see market has taken the liquidity, give you a very nice market structure shift at the top, right? From the 1 minute chart, this is at the top, like here it was here. You will take your sell over there, over here. That means from the retracement you will look for the top. For the reversal you are not going to catch the top. I'm gonna make it more clear. Wait, I know it's little confusing. Market, there is no buy side liquidity, nothing over here. Okay, market has taken all the buy side liquidity. Maybe I don't know when it has taken, but it has already taken that. Market is now coming for that sell side liquidity. From here it is coming, it came maybe until here, didn't take, not even coming to that near to that sell side liquidity, then give you a retracement. You will look for your setup from that retracement. If you are looking for sell side liquidity, you will look for the setup from the retracement, not from the top, because that is that top which has, sorry, that is that top which has cleared the buy side liquidity. You are not looking for the sell setup from there. You will look for your sell setup from here. You have to let me know that did you get that point or not. Is the turtle soup, bro? Man, I'm not talking about the turtle soup. I don't know how to trade the turtle soup. Yeah, the turtle soup is just above, I mean, to take the high, okay? The highest high. To take the highest high, you will take your sell over there. It's really difficult for me. Do you get my point over here? Let me know that. This is very, 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 very important. The why you are not going to catch that top, because you don't know it is actually going to reverse or not. That means you are predicting the top. I don't want you to predict the top. First, let him decide really it would love to go lower or not. I'm gonna give you the real example. Don't worry. Did you get it or not? Okay, let me know that first. Yeah, got it. Okay, just one guy got it. Anyone else? No one get it? Amen. Please let me know that if you get it or not. Let me know that. Okay, I need your answer, brother. I need your answer, please. Passive liquidity then taken will not be our place to be in the trade where we want to go next. Got it. Okay, thank you. Okay, let me explain this from here one more time. Okay, you'll understand then. Look at this price action. Okay, so market came here, around here. Okay, around that area. Now you know market is going to take that buy side liquidity. You know that market is going to take that buy side liquidity. So there was maybe some kind of sell side liquidity. I don't remember, or something whatever it had over there. It has taken that sell side liquidity, right? Market come where market is coming here from the top. It is coming lower, 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 and it has taken already the sell side liquidity. Maybe that day has finished. This is the new day. The market is going to start from here now today. So yesterday market has taken the sell side liquidity. Now you know market is going to take that buy side liquidity. You know that. I told that don't frame your trade from here. Don't frame your trade from here. Why? You have to wait to market let go some upper move. It has to give you some upper move, then market will went go, I mean it will come lower first. Okay, so let me actually mark over here. I don't know there is any setup or not. You will go to your 15-minute chart. Yeah, I got it. So in your 15-minute chart you will look for another 15-minute parallel gap. Is there any 15-minute parallel gap or maybe hourly parallel gap? It depends. Okay, so you find out another 15-minute parallel gap over here. You will go to your 1-minute chart. Where is it? I guess here. Okay, over here. So that is your 15-minute parallel gap. Okay, so market went lower, take the liquidity, maybe it gave you, maybe this is your market structure. For example, okay, I'm not just don't think this is the market structure. I don't know what is it. I know nothing. Market has give you the market structure shape, perfect market structure shape. There is your perfect parallel gap maybe over here. You get very immediate reaction. You take your entry over here, and you are not going to hold your trade until here. You will look for another market, I mean uh, buy side liquidity or last parallel gap, anything below that buy side liquidity, extreme buy side liquidity. Never ever hold your trade until the extreme buy side liquidity. From where you are going to get your extreme buy side liquidity? From either 15-minute chart or from hourly chart. That is your extreme buy side liquidity. Remember, for 1 minute relatively equal highs or anything for 1 minute, from 1 minute market will never go for 1 minute liquidity. Market will always go for either at least for 15-minute liquidity. At least the liquidity has to be there from 15-minute chart at least. If you see there is that liquidity from 1-minute chart, never frame your trade toward that liquidity. If there is no liquidity from 15-minute chart, and you know how to mark the liquidity, you know better than me, so you will frame your trade from here, not here, because this is the low. Okay, look over here the way I explained. Market is coming. This is the last, this is the last area from where market is going to reverse. Maybe you are not sure market is going to reverse from here, or is it going until that entry parabolic gap. Maybe you are not sure. Okay, last parabolic gap. Maybe just think this is the last parabolic. You are not sure. You are not going to frame your trade from there. You are going to frame your trade from there because this is the low. You are expecting the reversal and you are going to predict the low. No, you are not going to do that. You can predict, frame your trade from here if your bias is bullish. If you know that market is going higher, not lower, then you will start to frame your trade from there. You will let it go because this is going to confirm that I'm done the upper move, lower move. I'm done the lower move. Now I'm going higher. I gave you first market structure shift. That doesn't mean it is the market structure shift. It can be the liquidity taken. That means you are seeing this market structure shift. Some people are seeing this as a liquidity taken. Now market will give them a lower market structure shift, maybe until this sells a liquidity over here somewhere. You need more confirmation. This is how you will go for that confirmation. This is the another guidelines, guys. And this is extremely important. For example, I'm gonna give you another example. Now I'm going to remove this line from my chart and just thinking, okay, just for understanding that market is going to take that sell side. For example, this is the sell side liquidity. This is the sell side liquidity. So you saw that market has taken the buy side liquidity. Just for example, you know that market has taken the buy side liquidity. Now your target is market is coming lower. From here, now market is going to go lower. No more buy. Okay, you are expecting market is going to go lower. You saw market has taken the buy side liquidity, give you the market structure sheet, fair value gap. Are you going to take that entry? No. Market is in that area. Market has to leave that area. After leaving this area, see this run, huge run. Now you have to go to your 15-minute chart. So I'm gonna mark this area one more time. I'm going to 15-minute chart. I don't know is there anything or not. Okay, here. So from there, you first go and mark your 15-minute fair value gap. So over here, I have this 15-minute fair value gap. It can be the entry fair value gap. It can be the last fair value gap. Whatever, I don't care. Okay, it can be any type of fair value gap. I'm just telling you, I need a fair value gap from 15-minute chart. If it is the last fair value gap, perfect. If it is entry fair value gap, that is also perfect. Now in 1-minute chart, I don't know, guys. I'm making it more complicated or not, but yeah, I'm trying my level best. It went lower from the top. It went lower. Make another 15-minute fair value gap. This is the first time price went into the 15-minute fair value gap. Did it give you any market structure shift? You will start to look for market structure shift. So until now you didn't get. Maybe finally you got a market structure shift. Maybe, okay, for example, you got a market structure shift over here, and then there is a fair value gap, and it has traded that fair value gap, then it falls. Maybe you got a perfect entry over there. Buy in here. Maybe this is your market structure shift. For example, maybe this low is valid for you for shifting market structure. You got that market structure shift. This is your entry. Maybe until that is your stop loss, and you are going to catch that run. Maybe you will frame your trade from here. You are not going to frame your trade from this top, which has actually cleared the obvious liquidity from high time frame. You are not going to frame your trade from there. You have to wait for retracement to another 15-minute fair value gap, or maybe hourly fair value gap, or anything else. You don't believe me about the 15-minute fair value gap? No problem. Hourly fair value gap you believe? Go for that. Daily fair value gap, 4-hour fair value gap, 5-minute fair value gap, just go for that. But I need a high time frame fair value gap over there. Price will trade that fair value gap, you will frame your trade over there. Brother, if we don't get any opportunity to take entry over there, what I am going to do? Until if you are oversure that there is no higher liquidity, and you know this is actually your lower liquidity, market is going to take that liquidity. You will keep looking for fair value gap. Every single time price will go to that fair value gap, or later when price will leave this area, leave that area, and it will make another fair value gap around that area. Maybe lower over here, it has made another fair value gap from 15-minute chart. You will frame your trade over there again until that sells a liquidity. It came here again one more time, went lower, gave you market structure shift. Maybe you got a market structure shift over here, for example. It's not a perfect one, but yeah, I'm trying. Just it came here, gave you a market structure shift. This is a fair value gap. You will take your entry over there. Your target will be not the extreme one, maybe somewhere here. Somewhere here. Actually, what time is it? It's Shoshi. Just a second, guys. Hello? Hello?
আপনি তো আশ্চর্য রকমের খারাপ মানুষ।
আশ্চর্য রকমের খারাপ মানুষ মানে? আচ্ছা, শোনো আমি বলি, আমি তোমাকে একটু পরে ফোন দিচ্ছি, বুঝছো? আমি ক্লাসে আছি, আমি একটু পরে ফোন দিচ্ছি তোমাকে, আমি সরি।
আচ্ছা।
ওকে। হুম, হুম। আহ, so maybe you will take a loss over here, but you have to frame your trade like that way. You can't take that on. This is extremely important, and I talked about this one time before. I just give you the introduction about that. Now, did I make my point clear? Is it clear to you guys? The way I explained that, is it clear to you? Let me know that. This is the second guidelines, okay? From where you are going to frame your trade. Are you going to catch the top? No, never. Are you going to catch the bottom? Never. Simply never. If I get a perfect setup over here, what should we do, brother? That is a perfect setup. It should work. You should not take that entry at your beginning. Later, you will take a risk with a very tight stop loss. You are gonna take that risk, but not at the beginning when you are learning this thing. You will just read the price. If you think this is going to work, you are going to gather the information in your mind. You are going to put this tool on your chart. This tool, okay? You are going to put it on your chart, and you have to observe the price. Is it going to work or not? Oh man, it worked today. So next day, brother, I don't give you a sheet. It worked today, so I'm gonna take sell from there over here. I'm gonna catch that top. No, you will still, if you see another setup over here, you will use this one, and you will keep gathering the information inside your mind. Is it going to work? This is how you will notice something. Trust me, man. You will notice lot of things that's gonna work in your future. It's gonna help you. You are not going to catch the top or the bottom. I know I make things complicated, but I believe that I made it more easy way. Okay, I don't know. 9 minutes to breakfast probably. Sure, dude. It's very easy to show hindsight. First, learn to trade, then you can teach others. Thank you, Cortex. Welcome to my channel, and thanks for subscribing. Okay, guys, do you get this? If you get this, I think some of you actually told that you got this. Thanks for that. This is the second guidelines. What about the third one? Third one is important from 50-minute chart. If you ever see inside the session a small body with a long wick, always be careful the choppiness. The choppiness is coming in front of you. A small body with longer wick, small body with longer wick, small body with longer wick, small body longer wick, maybe small body longer wick, small body longer wick. Here, small, very small body with longer wick. If you ever see this, be very careful that the choppiness is coming in front of you. This has to happen from 15 minute chart. Sometimes, rarely, you will see no choppiness. Most of the time, either you will see seek and destroy mode or the choppiness, consolidation. Don't trust me? I showed it to you in my life again and again. So this is for extreme liquidity taken. Yeah, absolutely. This is for the extreme liquidity taken. That means it has taken the liquidity from 15-minute chart. So you are now expecting that market is reversing from here to here. Now you are expecting market is, for example, when market came here, now I am expecting market will come here to here, here to here. First, I have to let some run go until the first fair value gap will be created in the market. I'm not interested to take buy. When the market will create a first fair value gap from 15 minutes, then I'll be interested to take buy. Okay. In simple, okay, you have to, I mean, now 15-minute, I know some guys is still confused about the 15-minute and hourly fair value gap, but yeah, whatever you like. I like 15 minutes, so I am giving you the example from 15 minutes chart. When you are thinking market came here to that entry fair value gap and you are thinking that market is now going to reverse, for the best setup you will wait for another fair value gap which has to create in the chart. Then market has to come to that fair value gap, then you will go to your 1 minute chart, you will look for the buy setup. If you're extremely believing that market is coming to that buy setup, you have to, I mean, trade like that way. Now in that type of situation, sometimes you are going to miss some trade. It's true, man. You are going to miss some trade, but trust me, man, in time you will get the best setup. And in a week, just 2 to 3 entries, maximum 2, maximum 3 entries, you are gonna be the millionaire. That's for sure. Okay, I need a small break. I need to drink some water. So within 2 to 3 minutes I'll be back again. Thanks to all whoever subscribing to my channel. Okay, so I got near about 3 people. Thanks to all whoever subscribed to my channel. I'm very near to 5,000 subscriber. I have no word to say. You guys give me the love, and yeah, I am loved by you. And I'm extremely sorry again for ruin your weekend. I thought we should talk about little psychology and guidelines. So I came with my empty chart without price action, and I'm trying to give you something from here. My experience, okay? That's all my experience. Nothing is new here. It's all okay. So I'm just coming back within 2 to 3 minutes. If you want to take some break, you can also take the break for 5 minutes. Then I'll come and talk about the psychology again. Losing again. What happened? I miss you. When 5K is reached, we want a mega trade. Okay, I'll go for that. Changing bias is not a problem. ICT says so. It doesn't matter as long as you know where the price is likely to reach. Bias is for something else, not for some scalps. Okay, nice idea. If you don't like his teaching, why are you here? Who are you talking about? Bias is for nice bigger RR traders like one shot, one kill in forex mainly. And bias should not be changed, but if market shows you otherwise, it can be changed according to the ICT. Yeah, you can change the bias. Obviously, you can. I mean, nobody can tell confidently that market is coming here. Like, I am so arrogant, I'm so stubborn. That's why every time I call the same bias. Okay, if I was bullish, I was bullish. Like over here, if you remember, everyone was telling me that market is going lower, but I told that no, I'm bullish every single day. I just call the market, call the level, and I stay until that level. Okay, I'm stubborn, but yeah, you can change your bias. It depends on the fair value gap. Like over here, as I told, if only if I see this entry fair value gap is broken, then I will be bearish until this last fair value gap. When market will come here, then I will look for the bull again. So that is the reading price action. I miss you, okay, brother. I don't know what you were talking about actually. Is there anything happened or not? I don't know. Whatever, let it go. Now, if you have just started a challenge, okay, this is the psychological part again. You have just started a perform challenge, and you know that 50K challenge, just 50K challenge you have started, and your target is $3,000. If you ever feel, okay, you have to ask yourself first, am I feeling like I have to complete my challenge today? For example, 50K account, your target is 3,000, and you are at the level of 2,000. Already you have made $2,000 profit. You are going to start your new day. You know that if I can make $1,000 more, I will be able to get the express account. You are so hurry. You are just feeling so hurry. Okay, why market is not starting? Why market is not starting? Let it start. Let it start. I'm gonna push my button. If you ever feel like that way, don't trade around that time. Don't trade around that time at your beginning. You will think, okay, I am so hurry. That means there is much more possibility to choose the wrong setup, and I'm gonna take a loss. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna let the first entry go. Maybe the first session I'm going to let it go. Maybe I'm at the London session, and around the London session, I'm waiting to build that $1,000. I'm feeling so hurry. If I can build that $1,000 in the London session, maybe I'll be able to trade at the PM session by my Express account. If you feel like that way, don't trade around that London session. Do the paper trade. This is the psychological issue. It will help you, man. Trust me. Whatever I'm telling you here, write it down. Do it by yourself. Come back to me and tell me, is it helpful or not? This is my experience only. I'm just sharing my experience. Whenever I feel like that way, I'm in hurry to reach in a certain amount of money or certain amount of level. I don't push my button. The reason is I know I'm gonna choose the wrong setup because I'm in hurry. I need a setup just. I don't give a shit to the price action. All I'm caring about is an entry. Entry is going to happen every single time. Market has taken the liquidity, market structure shift, fair value gap, boom. Market structure shift, fair value gap, boom. Market structure shift, fair value gap, boom. This is how this market works. You are going to see the buy setup, you are going to see the sell setup, you are going to see the buy setup again, sell setup again. There is much more possibility that you are going in a wrong direction. Maybe you took that sell, but market is actually going higher. So you will take a loss here. What you will do? First, change your account to the paper trade. Trade the first entry by the paper money. Then if you feel okay now, If I get another entry, I will go for that. You have to be very honest with yourself. There is no other way. You have to be very honest with yourself. If you lie to yourself, trust me, man, it's gonna hurt you. Okay, not any other people. It's gonna hurt you. After you, maybe you take that entry to your paper money and you saw it worked perfectly. Don't be upset. Just think, okay, I was right over here. Be happy. Then you saw this entry. Market is going lower, but you are thinking that market is going buy side liquidity. Until this buy side liquidity, you are bullish. You will do that with your paper money. You saw it worked perfectly, it went lower. You are feeling like so confident. Okay, two time I'm right. So this is going to happen. Don't take that entry as well. Let this session go. Just let it go. Wait for the PM session. Come back at the PM session. You will feel so relaxed at that time. Just try this one time in your life. Just one time you try this. Let one session go. Totally let it go. Don't feel so hurry. Come close your trade around the launch and chart around the lunch hour. Come back slowly. With a relaxed mood. Come back at the PM session. Just read the price. Read the price. Be prepared. If you find out the perfect setup, everything has to be perfect. I'm gonna push my button. Otherwise, I'm just going to let today already go. I will let it go. This day is going to be without any trade. What happened? I took to profitability to my paper money. That doesn't mean I'm a winner. The very next setup that can be the losing trade. I was so hurry. I had to kill the target, $3,000 target. Then I'm going to get the express account. I'm very emotional in that time. Don't be emotional. When you will let the session go, and at the PM session you are thinking that if I get one, I will take on. If I don't get, I will come back tomorrow morning and I will do the same paper trade. Trust me, your mind will start to tell you, your psychology will tell you, this guy is not, you know, he's very strong. I'm not gonna beat him because he has the very strongest psychology. So let's work the way he wants to work. You have to talk with yourself. In this situation, you have to be very, very, very honest with yourself. I lose money when I was feeling so confident. Like maybe 2 to 3 weeks ago, when my account has near about $29,000. So I was thinking like if I can touch that 30,000 by today, it was Friday. So far I remember it was Friday. If I just can make $30,000 today, oh man, that's a you know round figure. So yeah, around that round figure, I will keep it until the weekend. I take three loss in a row. My $29,000 came $26,000. Fortunately or unfortunately, by anyhow, I took one trade at the last hour and it mitigated some loss. I finished with 29,000 something. Okay, so maybe $100 profit, or maybe some small profit, just small profit. Just I barely mitigate my loss. Then I just telling myself, what did I do? I was so hurried to just touch that $3,000, which is near about maybe say $600 to $700 or maybe $800 left. Just for $800, I took three loss. I have lost $3,000 something. No, no, no. Sorry, it was not Friday. Yeah, it was Friday. I don't remember exactly. It's 2 to 3 weeks ago. Okay, when I had that amount in my account. In my small account, I completed to $2,100. Okay, $2,100 something. Then in Wednesday, I took $577 loss. I didn't change my account to my smaller account. Trust me, man, because I wasn't so sure about that sloppiness. I was thinking that market will at least take that buy side liquidity. That was obvious. I was so confident that market is going to take that buy side liquidity. Even after that, I didn't trade, not even a single trade to my small account. The reason was I was too hurry. I was feeling like I have to mitigate my loss in within Thursday. Otherwise I have to wait 3 more days, maybe 4 days, to mitigate my $577 from my small account that I have to mitigate. So I didn't even log in to that small account. I was feeling like that way. I didn't do it. In my big account, if I take $30,000 loss, still I will have near about 1,800, 18,000 dollar profit. Even if I take $30,000 loss, I will have $18,000. I'm unable to withdraw. That's why it's just, you know, it's just making bigger. The amount is going bigger, bigger, and bigger because I'm unable to withdraw the money. I hope that next month I will be able to withdraw the money. This is the psychological part. You have to be very honest with yourself. If you feel you have to do it by this time, you should not trade in that time. Slowly but definitely you will overcome that. But still, we are human being. Even after the best training of our psychology, sometimes you will feel like that way. Whatever I'm telling you here, brother, it's just only for you, so that you can make some money from here. I have no profit from here. Okay, I have nothing. In Saturday, I'm in front of you guys to talk this bullshit without any hope of profit. Nothing. Just only that you can make some profit from this market, because it's really so easy to make the profit if you can work with your psychology. You are not profitable because your mindset is not strong, your psychology is not strong. That's why you are not profitable. You know the price action, how it is going to work. You know that even if market is going higher, I'm thinking market is going higher, I am able to make some profit by taking sell. Even though my bias is bullish, I am able to make some profit from the sell setup if I have that strong psychology. Okay, they're speaking about Cortex guy. He is hating for no reason. Okay, Cortex. Oh, okay, that guy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. What is it? It's very easy to show hindsight. First learn to trade, and then you can teach others. Okay, I got it. I just ignore him. Okay. My friends and family from Twitter, they give me the advice that if you ever see this type of comment, just ignore them. They will either stop or they will leave. Okay, so there will be no uh, controversy or something. There will be nothing. So I just ignore his message. Just ignore him. Okay. Buy side liquidity taken will not be our place to be in the trade where we want to go next. Absolutely, brother. That's the point. Okay. Yeah, it was obviously buy side in Thursday. I was also looking at that highs. I think it didn't reach because Friday is a big holiday. ICT says this kind of things happen before a big holiday. I miss you. Thank you, brother, for that information. But I really didn't know that. Okay, ICT talked about something before the holiday. I maybe missed it. Okay, I didn't know that. But if it is true, then it's okay. I didn't know that. But ICT told that after the holiday, always be careful about the morning session. Always be careful at the New York morning session after the holiday. He told that. I know that, but if I have a holiday in front of me, then what should I do? I didn't know that. Okay, and I'm sorry for that. What I don't know, I don't know. Hey Winston, how are you, brother? That's the second part of your psychology. If you can be master of your psychology, you will be the master of this market. Price action, you already know that, man. Trust me, you already know that. I have shown you lot of time how this market is going and booking one level to another level. Last fair value gap, last fair value gap. It's just consolidating between these two levels. I have already shown it to you. Okay. All you need to know about your psychology, is it strong or is it very weak? I actually got surprised by the reaction of that 830 over here, over here. That was a very nice, reaction from the 830. Really so nice. I'm just trying to figure that out, the 830 reaction. Still, I need some more rules, but until now, I'm overall sure that this 8:30 open works for 2 days. If I don't get this reaction from today, I'm gonna get the reaction from tomorrow. So as I got the reaction from 8:30 Thursday, I'm not gonna use that on for Monday. Over here, I didn't get the reaction over here. The very next day, I got the reaction from that 8:30. Though it was outside of the session, it was outside of the session, so we had no opportunity to take entry on that area. But yeah, I'm still trying to figure that out. Okay, I think it needs little more time. I heard from a video. I will double check and make a comment, bro. It will be better for me. Okay, if I hear that by my ear, I will believe it. Okay, otherwise I am not gonna believe it because I didn't hear it. But to be honest, Misu, you will understand my situation, right? Because I didn't hear it, I'm not gonna believe it because I never watch any other's video, any other's rules except ICT. Whatever I heard by my ear, which ICT talk, I'm gonna believe that. Otherwise, I really don't believe it. But if you find it, just let me know that, okay? Hey Daniel, how are you, brother? MMXM, how are you, brother? Everything's cool, man. You guys are late. Actually, I'm gonna close my session and whatever I wanted to talk about the psychology and little guidelines, I'm almost done with that. Okay, so I actually my intention was to show you the rejection. Okay, the rejection and where you will look for the setup. Here you are not going to look for your setup. From that fair value gap, you will start to look for your setup. You are not going to look for setup over here. You will wait until market make a 15-minute fair value gap. See this fair value gap over here. There you will start to look for your setup from that fair value gap. Over here market went higher, you don't care. Every single time market will go higher, you are thinking that market is falling, so you will start to look for your setup from there. I'm not able to show you the 1 minute chart from there because it is too far, but if you are able to show the 1 minute chart, you will see that there was a setup. If it was inside the session, then there was a setup. Maybe market came here, take the liquidity and tapped into a very nice fair value gap. You are looking for now buy side liquidity, maybe, or maybe this fair value gap, whatever it is, or maybe this relatively equal highs, shallow run. You are thinking that market is going higher from 15-minute chart. You are not going to look for a setup from there. Oh, okay. There is one more thing. You have to understand that. Okay. Look, this run until here, this run until here, and here, it's different. How it traded went lower, little higher, lower, higher, lower, higher high, lower low, then it went higher. So this is different. In this type of situation, you have this small leg, not kind of big leg, but look over here. It went little lower, higher, boom. This is just a leg. Until here, this is a leg. But here, can you different this thing? Lower, retracement. See this price action over here, okay? And just look at this price action. See this price action over here. This is totally different. There was a retracement, I agree with that, but after that it fall. But over here market went lower, retrace lower, take the buy side liquidity, again lower, taken again the buy side liquidity, something like this. Okay, so you have to find out the biggest leg, like over here, boom, biggest leg, boom, biggest leg over here, from here to here, leg, just one leg. Now it is kind of experience, you will understand that with your experience, but see from here to here, this is just a leg. Now if you look this setup, this leg, it's different. It came here, consolidation, take the buy side liquidity, went lower. You can look for your setup to the lowest low. Still I will recommend you to wait for that 50-minute fair value gap over here. I will recommend you to wait for that 50-minute fair value gap, but yeah, if you can find a setup over there and it's a logical level, you can go for that setup because this is another leg which didn't actually start from there. This is another leg from 15 minutes chart. So you have to understand the overall leg over there. So you see this is a leg from here to here. Now here to here, this is not same comparing with that one. Now slowly but definitely you will understand that. But if you still confused, the best option is let the first setup go, wait for the first parabolic from 15-minute chart, then frame your trade from that 15-minute chart. That's the best option. Let the first run, let it go. If you're thinking market is going to take that sell side liquidity, let the first setup go, wait for the next parabolic gap, trade that parabolic gap, look for the trade. Just avoid that setup. Wait for the first parabolic gap, something, or the last parabolic gap, whatever you think. Let market go over there, take the sell until it take the liquidity. If you just follow this thing slowly but definitely, you will understand. Maybe sometimes you will get confused. I will be there, okay? I will be there. So I will keep saying this thing to all of you guys so that you can get it easily, okay? So I will try to do that. I just try to make it simple. I don't know did I make it complicated or not, but I try to make it simple. If you just confused about the leg, just let the first run go, then wait for the first 15-minute parabolic gap, go back to your 1-minute chart. From your 1-minute chart here, okay, you will frame your trade, the next trade, okay, something like this. You will go for that trade. You just let the first run go. This run you will let it go. You will wait to make another 50-minute parabolic gap around that area. Market has traded that parabolic gap. You will start to look for a setup from there. Now if it come back again to the last parabolic gap, for example it come here, make another parabolic gap, come back again to that parabolic gap, no problem to look for the setup from that parabolic gap again. There is no problem. But the very first setup, let it go, brother. Sacrifice that setup. That's my point, okay? Yeah, I completely agree. Okay, ICT core content month 8, when to avoid trading London session. Video has that point. Oh, okay, brother. Thank you for that. I will see that. Let me just take a screenshot. Just a second. ICT core content month 8. Okay, I just took the screenshot. I'll look for that. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for that information. I didn't really know that. So guys, in short, that was my intention to talk about the psychology and the trading guidelines little bit. Now I need your compliment or your opinion. Was it a waste of time or did you really get something from here? After that, I'm gonna close my session. Okay. Now I need your true opinion. Okay. Did you waste your time or was there anything, just maybe a little bit that helps you? Okay. Just give me that opinion. Then I'm gonna close my session. But I need your comment now. At least 5 people give, let me know that. If you have to be honest, okay, with your compliment you have to be honest. If you get something you have to tell that, or you have to tell me that no brother, it was just waste of time, okay, something like that. I need your true opinion, guys, please. That's my request to all of you guys. And thank you for that 4854 subscriber. And yeah, thank you so much. You did a great job, Tito. Okay, so I get one of my brother who told that it was nice. Thank you, brother. Not a waste of time at all. I will watch it again too. Okay, KCJ. So that was more than expected. Thank you, brother. Love Gunfire. Thank you, brother. I always learn something from you. Never a waste of time with you. Thank you, Buro. Daniel, you joined late. How do you know that it was helpful, man? This is not a true opinion. You late. I mean, you joined late. You don't know that it was helpful or not. It's a good one. Okay, thank you, Fazlul Kabir. Thank you, guys. So just don't forget about the thing I told. Uh, if you are interested and if you think that yeah, you can give me at least 3 to 6 months, at least 3 to 6 months, okay, then keep sending the screenshot of your setup before it happens. Okay, when you will see the setup, you have to take a screenshot with the long tool, or maybe you took the paper trade or paper entered. Nothing wrong with that. If you're doing the paper trading, then obviously you are welcome. Push your button and send me the setup to my Twitter. Okay, to my Twitter to the message. You see, I never left anyone's message unread. I always read the message, whoever give me the message. So please keep doing that if you are interested. And if you think no, you are going to start your real money very soon or something like that, you don't have 3 months, 6 months, no need to send me that. Okay, if you want to send me, yeah, you can send it. I will just take a look. Okay, but yeah, that's the thing, brother. Okay, Jen was helpful. Thank you, brother. Trust me, guys. This is the best stream in the world right now after ICT. Okay, that's the biggest compliment. I am not worthy to I'm really not worthy. And thanks, guys, for giving me some likes as well. I got some likes. Thank you so much for the likes. And as I get some compliment from you guys, thank you so much for that and for your time. Tomorrow around 9 a.m. Uh, New York local time, I'll come with my weekly analysis. If I'm not available, then I will make a video for sure for the weekly analysis and I will post it to my channel. Whatever it is going to happen, I'm gonna tweet it beforehand to my Twitter. Okay, so if everything is okay, then I will be here. If there is something wrong, then I will make a video for anyhow, by anyhow, I will make a video and then I will upload that to my channel. Before that, you have to do your own weekly analysis. First, you have to do your own weekly analysis, then you can join my stream or you can watch my one. Okay, but first you have to done your own analysis. If you don't do it, you are going to miss the best opportunity to learn. Okay, because here you have someone to compare. I'm here to comparing myself with your analysis. I'm not telling that I'm the best, but still, okay, still if you think that yeah, I'm little helpful, then you have to first complete your weekly analysis, then you can join to my weekly analysis or live stream, whatever it is, you are allowed. So if possible, do it today, your own analysis, do it today, and then compare yourself what you are looking for and what I'm looking for. If it match, perfect, no problem. If it doesn't match, don't change your bias. Hold your bias, hold your weekly analysis, and try to prove me wrong. Come back to me when I will be wrong. Come back to me and tell me, brother, I was thinking like that way and I am right. I want to hear that from you. Okay, I just want to hear that from you that you were right, I am wrong. So do it by yourself. Okay, brother. Could you please say something about gold? No, brother, as I told, man, I'm not actually doing any analysis today and any kind of analysis today. I will do everything tomorrow, but right now I'm just, I mean, I'm not gonna talk about the price action today, to be honest, brother. I will talk about that tomorrow. The gold as well, I will talk about that tomorrow. Okay, so I hope you will understand, brother. Hello, brother. Okay, this is our homework for today. Complete our own weekly analysis and compare with our teacher. No, 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 I'm not your teacher. I'm your brother, Shahid. Don't mock me, okay? And Fazlul, I will do that tomorrow, okay, brother? So until tomorrow, everyone will be happy, I hope, and everyone will be okay. Until tomorrow, cheers, brother.